Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to give the dog a bone, and when she got there, the cupboard was bare. Shopping time. Now then, where are we? Just got myself out of bed. Haven't had a shave. Haven't had a shower. Haven't done anything. He's got a flat tyre. Did he know? Anyway, I've got to get some food in. Nothing in them cupboards. Can't even make myself a cappuccino. So that's my first priority. It's just around about 8 o'clock. My daughter woke me up. My little granddaughter. I want to turn the camera on. So how can you get angry? But it woke me up from my slumber. Got quite a busy day today. I have to get this tooth finally replaced, and then now I'm gonna go down and meet my daughter for a bit, have a walk into Morecambe, so I can walk along the promenade to my dentist's. That's gonna cost me a few quid. Money, money, money all the time. Now then, I don't know if you can see behind me, a guy walking a Labrador. Alright, it's only a young one, but it was having a number 2. And fair enough, he was cleaning it up. But as I walked past, the dog lunged at me, and then lunged at me again. And he's got quite a long lead. He just says, in a weak voice, sorry. But he never pulled the dog back. He never chastised the dog. He never said anything to the dog. That dog will never know that he's not allowed to do that. You've got to be firm with them, and you've got to tell them. Yeah? And this is what we're living with in this world today. What a weak person. I'm here in Aldi, investigating the murder scene, the trifle. Look at this. Chicken feet. $3.99. I know a place where you can get them for 50 baht. Oh dear, just heading to my daughter's now. I've got about 3 hours before I get that replaced, get it repaired, and I'm looking forward to getting that done. Been like that now for nearly maybe 18 months, maybe a little bit longer. So that's the next step, get that fixed. The next step nearer to you know where. Now then, where are we? In Lucy's, having a coffee, hot chocolate. She's not having out because she's too young. But outside, you do a cracking breakfast in here. I've been told in Lewis's. Outside, I'll show you. Look at that. Looks like they've run off and left it. Now, would you leave that breakfast? Can't be that bad, surely. Look at all that paraphernalia. The molds went towards 1 tooth, and I've had it done. Look at that. I look 20 odd, don't I? I look like a young lad. Anyway, I don't know how long it'll last. He said it's got a 12-month guarantee. Knowing my luck, it'll drop out and have a slice of toast later on. But there you go. When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you.
Why you won't make me